Hi and welcome to another video on mbrTech YouTube channel. Company from Sweden provided us with another pair of wireless earphones. This time we have Sudio Nivå on the test, the first time to have true completely wireless earphones on my channel, so I want to thank Sudio for providing this model and making this review possible. Let's unbox them to see what we get inside the package. At the top there is portable charging case. Earphones should be inside, but we will open it later. Below the charging case you will find additional tips for earphones, USB charging cable, and on the bottom there is a user manual if you need some help or quick tips about using these earphones. Also there is a quality assurance card which gives you 1 year of guarantee if you buy them. Don't forget to check out Sudio's social network pages for great discounts and prizes. I have special 15% discount code for those who want to buy these earphones. Just use code mbrTech15 while checkout on their website. Let's open the charging case and get our earphones. First impressions are good. I like the design of charging case and earphones. Black version is looking great, especially with these gray details. There is also white version, but this one is looking better to me. Earphones in the hand feel really quality and premium, and I can't complain. Sudio is always looking to make great products and simple design that will make happy everyone. The sound is good as expectable, but I didn't find any button to control the volume, so it depends on the device you are connected with. Don't expect Nivå to be loud on every device, but after inserting them in your ear and feeling great noise insulation, you will quickly forget about some loudness and enjoy great sounds from these drivers. Charging these earphones is easy. You need to charge the portable case, and after the end of listening, just set earphones in the case and charging process will automatically start with LED indicating. One charge will allow you more than 3 hours of playtime, and charging case should give you almost 4 full charges, which mean you will always have earphones ready for use. Bluetooth connectivity is great. You can connect just one earphone if you want. To connect both, press the buttons on both at the same time until you see LED indication, then just find them in Bluetooth devices and connect. You will get 2 pairs of additional tips if you want to change them and fit your ear better. Changing process isn't something special, just like on any other earphones. Overall, I'm satisfied with the whole package. Earphones are amazing, especially if we want to get rid of cables and still enjoy great sounds. They don't look weird or anything like that. Simple design will make them look cool in your ears. Charging case makes them extremely portable and always ready for usage. The sound is good, not the loudest, but you hear great sounds with these in-ears. Thanks for watching another review on my channel. Sudio Nivå isn't probably the best choice for the budget, but if you want to buy them and you are not sure about the quality, you can't make mistake with these, and I can recommend Nivå for sure. Don't forget to support mbrTech. See you!